Okay, woodwinds. Now, I happen to be a flute player and a saxophone player, so this seems kind of natural to me. I bet you've tried doing something like this before. Wait, I'm a flute player and I can't do this. Well, I think it's because that's too big. Let me try this one. There we go. Whoa. You could imagine an instrument where you're blowing into different pitches, kind of like one of those Andean pipes, you know, with the different length tubes. Of course, the longer the tube, the lower the pitch. And I guess that works too with the size of the bottle. The smaller the bottle, the higher the pitch. You know, I'm going to take this and go one step further. Maybe if I make holes in the side, I can change the pitch of it. So let's give it a try. So I think I'm just going to use this paring knife. Be really careful, people. Okay, don't cut yourself. Oh man, I'm crushing it. Okay, boom, I just did it. I had to like push it back out. See if it does anything. Yeah, it makes it not work. Okay, I learned something today. I just put some water in here. Let me see what it sounds like now. Wow, totally different note. So you could imagine you could make yourself a collection of bottles and have maybe 3 different sounds and 3 different tones and make a melody. Well, I went a little crazy and I made myself a panpipe. See if you can name this tune. Alrighty, well, I had a thought. I have this tubing here, and I thought, wow, you know, a silver flute, the end of the flute is stopped up, and there's a hole that you blow into like this, and then you can change the pitch by putting your fingers on these holes and making the tube longer to make a low note and shorter to make a high note. So I'm going to give it a whirl. Okay, well, first of all, I'm just going to cut a length of tube that seems like a good flute length. There we go. That was easy. You cover up one end of it, like so, with some tape. All right, now I have to make an embouchure hole. It has to be round. I know this from being a flute player. You have to have a nice edge to blow across. This thing is kind of curvy. I think I'm going to just try to stretch it out. Well, that didn't work. I guess I'd have to kind of make a flute like this. Oh no, wait, I could do it this way. Oh wait, no, maybe this way. It'll curve around like that. Well, I managed to make a little hole using a pair of nail scissors, and I made another little hole here for fingering. Let's see how it sounds. Well, I'll tell you, I know another way to make a wind instrument. I think it's a wind instrument using half of a paper towel roll. Yes, that's what this is. And a rubber band and some wax paper. So what you do is you just take some wax paper, you could cut a circle or a square, it doesn't really matter. These instruments aren't very pretty, by the way. I mean, you could make them really nice, like paint them, put decorations on them, put some stickers on them, you know, go wild. All right, so I got my piece of wax paper. I'm putting it on the end of the paper towel roll. Okay, and I want the end to be kind of flat. Oh, I forgot, wait, I have to make a little hole in the side somewhere. I'm carefully using some scissors to do that because I need a place for the air to escape. So this is sort of a combination of a wind instrument, and it's got a vibrating membrane. That's what this is. Kind of like a drum head, but not really. Anyway, so I'm going to put a rubber band on here to hold it on. You already know what this is, right? Well, this has been a lot of fun. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you have fun building your own woodwind instrument. See ya!